Mr. Bon Andrew Lentejas. Presenting the award is 2023 Cinemalaya Best Supporting Actress and Cinemalaya 20 Juror, Ms. Dolly De Leon. The Best Supporting Actor awardee will receive a Balanghay Trophy.
Good evening po. Cinemalaya Citation, full-length feature film.
Dapat short muna. Short muna. Di ba short na?
Cinemalaya Citation, full-length feature film. Best Supporting Actor for his very impressive performance as elder and chieftain trying to keep his people together in their steadfast but not violent fight to keep their ancestral land despite violence and intimidation by the wealthy and powerful. The award for the best performance of an actor in a supporting role goes to Felipe Ganancial for Tumandok. Congrats!
Ayaw niya,
ano?
sabi ko sa'yo, parang gusto ko na naman mo.
First of all, maraming salamat po Cinemalaya at sa aming mga jury at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Tumandok. Masaya po kami sa ating Tumandok kasi sinasabi nga po namin before na di Cinemalaya, sila naman ang bibida. Kaya nga po sila ang bumida. Nalito po sa para tumanggap na.
On behalf of Kabarangkalan Ati Community and Tatay Felipe Ganancial, maraming salamat po Cinemalaya. Gusto ko rin po magpasalamat sa aming mga direktor, Direk Arlie Sweet Sumagaysay at Richard Chiruel Salvadico, kasama sa aming mga producer, Direk Arden Rod Condes, Direk Sani Calvento, Direk Joandro Torlao at Direk Sharon Dayok sa pagtulungan po nila para mabuo itong Tumandok. Napakasaya ko po dahil sa award na ito from you Cinemalaya kasi po akala namin lahat ng uta or lowlanders ay mababa yung paningin sa amin at palagi kaming vina-violent. Dito po sa Cinemalaya, naramdaman ho namin ang inyong mainit na pagtanggap, pagmamahal at suporta. Maraming salamat po Cinemalaya. More power and God bless.
We would like to call on 2018 Cinemalaya Best Supporting Actress, Therese Malvar. Presenting the award is Ms. Dolly De Leon. The Best Supporting Actress awardee will receive a Balanghay Trophy.
Best Supporting Actress. For her effective portrayal as community leader of a coastal village of informal settlers trying to keep their unity while fighting off eviction. The award for Best Performance of an Actress in a Supporting Role goes to Ms. Sue Prado for Gantil.
I just want to take this opportunity na lang din to thank Miss Sue for being a part of this film. The entire barangay, Tibungko, thanks her for her incredible contribution sa film namin. I also want to take this opportunity na din to thank every single person who took part in our film, especially sa aming barangay. Daghang salamat sa pagtabang sa pagbuhat sa among salita. Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Kasi si Dante.